Hello friends, another review from Lost Gear. So I picked up the Ryobi Whole Stud Detector. I'm curious to see how this works. I'm actually very eager. It's supposed to slide past the stud and light up accordingly, which I know a lot of stud finders kind of do, but I've always bought cheap ones and I want to see how this one works out. As a stud marker too. Been a lifelong Ryobi fan. I love my Ryobi tools and love buying new ones. So, yep. All right, to get started, pull the tab out to activate the battery. This will show you that the lights will light up. That there is the stud marker. Small plastic, but seems like it'll do the job. I prepared this little stud for us to try out on, and turning it on, sliding over, and all right. So, closer shot here. Definitely does what it says it's gonna do. Gotta be honest, I was expecting it to beep like my cheaper stud finders do, but hey, you know what? Let's get on that, Ryobi. Notice how it does light up when you do hit pretty close to center on the stud. Makes a discreet mark, so it doesn't really mess up your wall. Overall, it's a decent stud finder. It's one-handed. I know they do make one that is more two-handed that does detect AC. I don't know if it detects any plumbing or not, but I'd love to get a one-handed one that does AC as well, Ryobi. This runs on 2 AAA batteries that are included. And if you like what you saw, like and subscribe to our channel. We love showing off Ryobi tools, and we have a blast doing it. Again, the Ryobi Whole Stud Detector.